Namaste friends. Weak memory. Weak memory can be frustrating brain fat or hormonal burnout. It's a heavy load when your memory feels like it's slipping while your hormones are in flux. In homeopathy, sarcodes are very unique because they are prepared from healthy endocrine glands or organ tissues like thyroidinum or adrenalin. The philosophy is to provide a temple of healthy function to help your body recalibrate its own internal chemistry. Here is a breakdown of how homeopathy approaches this tired of symptoms. Key sarcodes for hormonal and memory support. Sarcodes are often used when the hormonal system is sluggish or overtaxed. They act as an organ remedies to stimulate balance. Thyroidinum, thyroid balance. Pituitarinum, master gland. Adrenalinum, adrenaline support. Ophorinum, reproductive support. Few classified remedies for weak memory. If the memory loss is the most distressing part, these remedies are often paired with sarcode. Number 1 is bratacarb, often used when memory loss feels like regression or when you find it hard to learn new things or make decisions. Anacardium orientale, perfect for when memory loss is accompanied by sudden irritability or a feeling of being in a dream. Then one topmost remedy, that is the Califos, known as the nerve nutrient. It is excellent for memory failure caused by overworking or mental exertion. Then we are coming to a very top-ranked medicine, that is the Lycopodium clavatum. Great for those who have a weak memory, especially regarding names or words, often paired with digestive issues. Hormone crisis. While homeopathy is a wonderful supportive tool, a true hormonal crisis like severe thyroid dysfunction or adrenaline insufficiency can be serious. Peer-to-peer advice. It is crucial to get your levels checked, TSH, cortisol, estrogen and testosterone by a healthcare professional. Homeopathy sarcodes works very best when we know exactly which gear in the system needs greasing. Homeopathy is highly individualized. Taking a sarcode just because it matches gland isn't always as effective as matching your entire supportive symptom picture. So friends, this is a very short gist about the weakness of memory. Thank you. Again I will come with the next episode on the same chapter, memory and homeopathic medicine. Long live homeopathy, long live Hanuman.